So how do we become independent learners? It's really hard to just suddenly decide to learn something unless you've got an approach and a way forward with thinking about how to actually achieve that skill of learning something new. Knowing that you don't know something and desiring to learn is the first step. It truly is. But where do you go from there? You've got this desire. What do you do with it? So here are a few ideas as to how to push forward with learning, filling that gap, as somebody mentioned. So one idea, you can ask questions. Like I mentioned, I always ask questions to my colleagues. What do you mean by this? What do you want me to do here? How do I do that? Independent learning, yes, you are learning something new by yourself, but it doesn't mean you can't ask for help. And that does not show signs of weakness either. Absolutely. Use the resources around you to support your learning. While you are all using the resource of workshop, you might have books in front of you as well. It might be the internet, the search engine that you want to use in order to find whatever answers. We've got the Teach2030 courses, we've got the social media. You are going to get access to a free course, completely free course. So you can use those resources to help you. Collaborate. Well, there's some lovely collaboration going on right now in the chat. And I don't know about you, but it makes me feel motivated and positive to know that other people are here to learn the same thing as me. Again, just because you've chosen to learn something independently doesn't mean you have to be completely alone. You can collaborate with people to do that. It might just be that you have to find the same sorts of people that want to learn the same sorts of things as you, which is where our lovely Teach2030 community comes in. Make connections to previous learning and persevere, as it might be confusing. When you start learning something new, sometimes I get a little bit confused and I don't quite know how to approach something, and I sometimes have to go backwards to come forwards again. That's part of the learning process, and it doesn't mean I'm failing, and it doesn't mean that I'm weak. What it means is that I'm persevering, and I know I'm going to try to continue until I can achieve that skill. And that often sometimes takes creativity. I've just started a new project, which I won't tell you all about, but I'm finding it hard, really hard. And I've just had to undo all the work that I did last night with it. And it's a bit of sewing. And I've had to unpick everything and start again because it's not quite right, because actually I've not laid it out right. The design's not right. I'm learning because I've never done this before, but I'm going to carry on and I'm not going to give up because I want to achieve that new skill. But that's me doing it by myself.